Okay, I know you're not aware of this, but this is my second take of this problem. So we're going to do this a little bit of a different way so I get there a little bit faster this time. All right, you need to start off by making a new sketch on the flat part of the deck, which is going to be this piece right here. All right, you're going to draw some lines using this type of geometry. Now, take my advice, when you're doing this, trace over everything as you do this. So 1440, 1440 on both sides. Got it? Go do that. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to cut this out. So hopefully it'll look something like this. So do that, pause me, and then just come back when you get that done. All right? Thanks. You back now? Great. Awesome segue, huh? Okay, next thing. I'm going to erase this so I can do this with you, and hopefully it'll work this time. All right, the first thing we do, we have this active plane right here. Hopefully you still have it. If not, call me over and we'll remake it. We're going to go new sketch right here. All right. Let me pull it back up here to the top. Come on. I want to create a line. Sorry, this thing does lag whenever I use this program. Okay, ignore what I just did there. Okay, I need to make two circles right here. Oh wait, no. Sorry, I got it myself. I need to make a point. I'm going to project geometry of this and make a point right here. So I have a starting point on this axis. It should be right on it. All right, now unfortunately I'm going to eyeball this a little bit. I'm going to rotate my screen so it just looks a little bit easier to work with. Arc, click on it. I'm going to go over about yay, up about yay, good enough. Finish sketch, and I should have an arc starting on that midpoint right there. Okay, next, new sketch right here. Really hope this works. All right, project that. So we're using this exact same point because we're going to make a sweep here in a second, guys. Circle on this exact same point that we've been working with. I'm going to make one at 30 and one at 32. So do that real quick and then just come back to me. All right, you will need to erase these two dimensions because otherwise they're going to drive you nuts here in a minute. Draw a line that goes right through this circle, and then I'm going to trim off any excess so I don't have to worry about it. So that way you have an arc. Make sure you keep that and that, otherwise it won't work. I am going to erase this because it's just going to annoy the heck out of me. And while I'm at it, okay, that's just going to stay. All right, here we go. Finish sketch, sweep. Good, it activated that. This is my profile line. And oh, beautiful. Look at that. If you get that little thing, just press OK. As long as this works, that's awesome. Okay, now we have a little brake pedal thingy, whatever it is. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, we're going to use this plane again. New sketch. Go ahead and go here. I'm going to rotate it so I can see it a little bit better because now we need to make the holes for the axles and stuff right here. So we're going to do another slice graphics so we can see everything. I'm going to project just so I can see it this and the bottom to help me use it. And then I'm going to make an 8mm circle. Try not to align it, and we'll align it. What the heck? Right here, 8. Make our lives easy. There we go. Distance from the side from here to here. We're going to make that at 15.2. That's close. Press F7. All right, now we're going to do a cut. Oops, not a revolve. We're going to do an extrude. It's getting late. We're going to go both directions. We're going to cut. We're going to cut all, and look at that. It goes all the way through there. Ain't that beautiful? So do that, and then come back to me when you get that done. All right? Okay, hope you guys are being challenged by this because I sure as heck am. All right, here we go. We need to do another offset plane. Click this. You're going to go 50. So do that. Then we'll do this next step. New sketch right here. So here we go. Project this circle, because it's going to be our base point. We're going to do a rectangle. Right over it. Pretty simple. 14 by 14. Here's a part you may struggle with. Hopefully you won't. We need to align this up with the middles of it. So I'm going to do a horizontal there. I did the wrong one again. Vertical, I guess. There we go. Line this up with here. I always get those backwards for some reason. Finish sketch. Simple enough. Do a cut because we have to have a place to put the washers at. And we're going to go in just 10, not too much. And press OK. There we go. All right. We can hide this new plane now that we just made, because I really don't want to mess with that anymore. Now, we got to put this on that side. So we could do the whole thing all over again, which I'm sure you would love to do, or we're just going to mirror it. So I'm going to click my extrusion, move my screen down a little bit, click this extrusion, mirror plane, click this mirror, you see it on that side, press OK. Easy. All right, go do that, and we're getting close to being done here. All right, we're getting close, guys. Okay. Next, we need to make this some stuff up here. Anyway, just do this. Click on the XY plane. We're going to do an offset of that. We're going to drag it forward here. Let's go 110. So do that real quick, and then come back to me again. Okay. New sketch right there. All right. Hopefully this won't be too bad for us. Never know, though. All right. Make rectangle here. Measurements need to be, I'm going to go back to my master copy real quick and check. 18. All right. Yeah. What was that again? I'm sorry. This is my master copy, but I want to make sure we get it right. There it is. 26 by 28. Okay, there we go. Got it. So go here, 26 by 28. There we go. Now, I would like to align this up where this is lined up. We may want to project this down here. So I have that little center point right there. I want to line up the middle of this with the middle of this. Looks like I already did. I always get those confused. I'm sorry, guys. It's been a long day. All right, so do that, and this needs to be dimensioned from here to here. Let's go 16. Okay, we need to do a top rectangle as well. I'm going to try to line up the same. That way you don't have to do the width. Let's go 16 on this. I think. Maybe. Yep. All right. And this needs to be 6. Okay, once you have that done, should have those with those similar measurements. So do that real quick, come back. Last thing we have to do for this one is a fillet. Fillet's located right here. 3, do not close out the fillet menu until you're done. Just go around the horn like this. For everything, see nice little tangent things showing up there. Ignore the fact if it starts shifting, it will shift back once you get done. And there you go. Press finish sketch. Awesome. And extrude next. Get that out of the way. Click your two geometries. we're going to cut this to this. Do that, it'll give me an error. Oh joy. Not sure why I did that. So watch this. Extrude, there, there. I'm just going to force it to do it until it gets to the distance that I like it. As you see here, it's cutting a little bit. Not quite there. 25 maybe? Yep, I like that. Let's go. Press OK. Same results. Who cares, right? Okay, I'm very annoyed at myself because I have to do this twice because I forgot to press record. Anyway, go to the bottom of the board. Click here. New sketch. There you go. I want to do a project geometry. Hit this part of where this intersects right here. All right. Oh, well. Rectangle. Start about right here-ish. Go 53. 380. Do that. Here to here. We're going to go, let's go 10. And vertical constraint. There to there. So that's now locked in. Finish sketch. Extrude. Cut up. 10. Looking good here, guys. All right, guys, you've done great today. This is pretty much about it. You've made the deck. The last two parts consist of making text here and adding a symbol here. If you want to put your own, you're welcome to. You guys like to do your own things. To do this part here, we're just going to do a new sketch right there. It's looking great. We're going to do a text here. And all right, guys, we are done for now. I'm running out of time tonight. We're going to try to pick up the tutorial for what it says on YouTube from now, and we'll see how it goes. I hope you enjoyed me walking through this. I enjoyed doing this, and hopefully we can get this deck done successfully. Thanks, guys.